Many new users in Finty might not be fully aware of the filter option, which is available across various services. And can be highly beneficial. What insights can this option provide, and how can it help with decision-making and revenue growth? Let's explore this with an example in the Repair Shop Management menu. Under the Reports service. In this service, you can view all devices that have been received in your repair shop, or returned to clients from any date, whether it's today or years ago. By using the filter option, you can customize this information based on any detail you need, allowing you to generate valuable reports on devices that have been worked on in your repair shop since you started using Finty. Let me show this with an example. This is our test account which we use to create tutorial videos. And currently there are 33 devices on this account. So, let's use the filter option to see how many of these devices are, for example, cell phones. As you can see, you can filter this information based on these options. And let's choose the device. For example, cell phone. If you repair multiple types of devices, you can generate reports for any type you choose. As you see, 24 devices are cell phones. You can also filter devices, or view results with details, such as client name, ticket number, brand, model, serial number, shelf number, and all these. Now that it's cell phone, let's choose a brand. For example, Apple. Additionally, you can filter to see how many of these devices were repaired, or how many were not repaired, or how many were listed as unknown or other. As you see, 3 iPhones were repaired. So, this is how the filter option allows you to view information tailored to your needs. In this video, I only covered the filter option in this service, but you can use it across various services to gather insights. The filter option includes different fields in different services and menus as you see. All of these fields are designed to generate precise reports within each service, making it an extremely helpful tool for you. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.